All right, guys, today we're going to be doing markup and markdowns. Let's go ahead and look at number 7 first. We see that we've got a $300 suit is marked down for 20%, so that means we'll put 20% here. And the 300 has to go here. When we do that, we realize that we're going to be multiplying these two together, so I've got to turn that 20% into 0.2. If I do that, I realize I'm multiplying 300 times 0.2. Well, that's going to give me 0, that's going to give me 0, and that's going to give me 6. And then I have to move my decimal point one spot. So that's going to be $60. Now that the markdown is $60, I simply take the price, 300, and I subtract it from $60. And that's going to leave me $240 left. Okay. Let's go ahead and move down now to number 9. It says Karen purchased the DVD player shown in the sign to the right. Find the percent marked down. Well, this is the formula big number minus small number divided by original number that I showed you in class. The big number is 175.90. And see, the small number is 153.77. Okay, and now we're going to have to subtract 0. That's going to be 3. We had to carry 1, so that made that 8. Makes this 1. And let's see. This was 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 7 minus 5 is 2. So that means when we're finding the percent, we realize that that is the difference on top. Now we have to divide it by the original number. And that was 175.90. All right, let's check that out in the calculator. It says 22.13. Bottom. Let's see what we're going to divide by 175.9, and that's going to give us 1258.1258. It does say to round to the nearest percent, so when we move this over, this becomes 12.58. If we round up, it's going to be 13%. All right, number 11. Nate has $500 to spend at the grocery store. He fills a shopping cart with the items totaling $46. 46 bucks is what he spent. At checkout, he will have to pay 6% tax, so he's going to multiply 46 by 6%, which will be 0.06. Right? And let's see, if we put that in our calculator, 46 times 0.06 is going to equal 276. Now that we know that's how much is going to increase in tax, we've got to add that to our $46. And that's going to give me $48.76. That right there tells me $50 will be enough because this amount is less than 50. So the answer is yes. And going down to number 13. Computer store, buys a computer system that cost him $465.60. The selling price was for $776. But then the store advertised a 30% markdown. So if we do a 30% markdown, it's going to be 776 times, let's see, 30 And now we see that we've got 576 times 0.3. We move that back, and our calculator is going to say that 776.3 times, let's see, 0.3 is going to be 232.59. So let's see, 232.59, 232, and then 59. Now we're going to be minusing this because this is how much the discount is. So we have to minus it from 776. We're just going to get rid of this 0.3 here for a second. And let's see. Now I'm going to have to go ahead and put my decimal spot in the right place. And now if I go ahead and subtract this, since it was a discount, this is going to be 1. Let's see. This is going to be, make sure I put the right number there. 232, let's see. 776. Let's see. And the bottom one, let's see, times 0.3. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. That was an 8. My apologies. I thought there was something funny about that. Let's go ahead and make that correction really quick before I've gone too far. Let's see. This is going to be an 8. Let's see, 0.8. And now let's go ahead and subtract this. So that's going to go ahead and be a 2. That's going to put this down to a 5. That would be 3.2. This would be 4. 9. Now, let's see. Oh, wait a second. We said that it was going down, not up. So we have to subtract, not add. If I subtract this, that was 2. Let's see. We borrowed one that was 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 5 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So that means the computer now on sale for 500. Let's see. Find the current sales price, $543.20. Now it says that the members at the Loyalty Club get another 10% off from their purchases. How much do the members get? Well, this is going to be basically an additional 10%. So it'd be 543.2. We're going to multiply it. Let's see. An additional 10%. So this would be times 10%. The decimal move back twice would be 0.1. When we do this, we're going to get 5, 4, nope, that's not 3, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. I think I made a mistake here. Let's try this again. 5, 4, 3.2 times 0.1. And that's going to be $54.32. So how much do the members pay for it? We've got to deduct another $54. $54 and minus $54.32. 32. Well, that's going to give me another 0. And if we all see, that's going to be 8. Remember, this over here is not part of that. Means I borrowed 1 over here somewhere, probably from my 5s, which makes this 4. So how much do members pay? And that's going to be 9, no, 13. And that's going to be, once again, we're going to borrow. So that'll be, oh gosh, this is 3, 14. We borrowed 1 there. Oh my goodness, this has turned out to be a hot mess here. If that's 13 there, that's going to be 9. That's going to borrow 1 here. But I believe there was a number here. I didn't line this up very well, and it's costing me now. So I'm going to backtrack and try to get this correct. Let me see here. There we go. That's the number right there. It was 543.2, and we're going to be minusing $54.32 from it. Let's just put it in the calculator because obviously I'm getting a little tired, making very sloppy mistakes. $543.2 minus $54.32. Now it's going to equal $488.88. And that's the last of them that I have to do. Thank goodness, because obviously I'm getting really drowsy. See you in class.